Today we're taking a look at the best accessories for the Boosted Mini S and Mini X. First up, we have a must-buy before you even receive your board. Nose and tail guards by Surfco. Our Mini got a bunch of dings and scratches after a few days of use. These tail guards by Surfco fit perfectly on both the nose and the tail of the board. You can get a dual pack for $23 at Flatland 3D. We'll put a link in the description below. Next up, some of our favorite upgrades we've made to our board. You can easily upgrade your wheels to the larger 85mm orangutan Caguamas. These will increase your top speed by 1 to 2 miles per hour and give your board a softer ride over bumps and cracks. Keep in mind, larger wheels will also decrease your acceleration and braking power slightly. The only trick to installing the wheels is getting the pulleys for the rear wheels perfectly aligned so there's no wobble. After upgrading your board, make sure you have protective gear for yourself. If you fall off going 20 miles per hour, you're going to want a helmet and wrist guards at the very least. We highly recommend these gloves by Flatland 3D. They are the only ones made specifically for holding a remote. For helmets, we recommend 888 and ProTech. We'll put some links in the description below. Next, you may want to consider upgrading your wheel bearings. We recommend ceramic bearings from Acer Skate. For $40, you get an entire set including 2 large pulley bearings for the rear wheels. Another good set of bearings is from Zealous, and while these are only $16, they don't come with the larger bearings for the pulley, but we do like how they match the green of the wheels. If you're looking to keep your bearings clean, we recommend the cleaning kit from Bones. For $12, you get the cleaning kit plus speed cream to lubricate them afterwards. They also sell a bearing puller which helps you easily remove them from the wheels. To keep your grip tape clean, check out this grip tape cleaner by Black Diamond. You just rub it on the grip tape in the dirty spots to remove dirt and other debris. Getting into storage options, we highly recommend this stand for $13 on Amazon. Normally it's made for guitars, but it fits boosted boards perfectly. You can even fit both a longboard and a mini at the same time. You can also buy these J-hooks on Amazon for $13 to build your own mount. For portability, we tested a bunch of different bags to find out which one would fit a boosted mini. For travel, we found this bag by OS Company for $60 to have the best fit. It features a top handle, side handle, as well as backpack straps. It also has a top pocket so you can store your remote and tools. We also like that we were able to fit in a helmet in the bag at the same time. For skate backpacks, we tested many from Volcom to Element and RVCA and found that they simply could not hold the weight of the Boosted Mini. The only one we found that worked is this Nike SB backpack for $90 on Amazon, since it has additional bottom straps to hold additional weight on the bottom of the board. You can also remove the battery if you're traveling to reduce weight. Speaking of removing the battery, this electric screwdriver by Skill for $20 on Amazon will allow you to quickly remove your battery screws. It's also useful around the house and has USB charging so you don't have to keep an extra charger. For charging, we always keep an Anker battery with us for rides to charge our remote, headlights, or phone. This multi-charging cable for $13 is a must-have for any portable battery. For adding lights to your board, we highly recommend Shred Lights. For $40, you get 2 headlights with a mounting bracket and a dual charging cable. Shred Lights made a coupon code for our watchers. If you use TechWW, you'll get 10% off. Installation is easy and only takes a couple of minutes. They look super sleek on the board and are easy to pop on and off for charging. For the rear, you can also buy a single tail light for $20. We found that this one doesn't fit as well. When the light is mounted, you can no longer use the kicktail. However, Shred Lights said they are working on a new bracket for the Boosted Mini. We'll put it in the description once it launches. You can also add underglow lights for $19 on Amazon. These 4 lights will stick to the bottom of your board. While they look cool at night, they seem cheap and may easily fall off the board. Alright, that's it for now. Check out the links in the description for all the accessories. Next up, be sure to watch our comparison of the Mini S versus the Mini X.